This what is it? Biscuit? What's that?
Biscuit. Yeah.
Biscuit in the facility yesterday in the church.
Yeah.
After the wedding, or in the we have a room there. And then when you open this one, have a Bible verse.
Yeah. Jeremiah.
Jeremiah 29:11. I know the plans for you, not to harm you but to prosper you. See? Oh my, so cute. Yeah, it's inside. So when you open this one, have Bible verse inside. Okay. Bible cakes met and drin ein Wort von Gott. So sweet.